Let's be honest, not everyone has Apple money. But here are 5 budget gadgets under 50 bucks that look and feel like they cost triple that. Number 1. The mini Bluetooth speaker. Don't let its size fool you. It's got bass that'll make your desk vibrate. The battery lasts up to 10 hours, and the RGB lights give it that perfect gamer glow. Number 2. The smart LED light strip. Connect it to your phone, sync it to your music, and watch your room come alive. It's cheap, bright, and instantly makes any setup look like a YouTuber's studio. Number 3. The budget smartwatch. It tracks your steps, heart rate, sleep, and still manages to look clean and premium. And unlike those fake ones online, this one actually survives the day. Number 4. Wireless earbuds. For under 50 bucks, you get touch controls, a charging case, and sound that feels way too good for the price. Perfect for pretending you're rich while staying broke responsibly. And finally, number 5. The multi-port USB hub. If your laptop only has one port, I'm looking at you. Apple, this thing is a game changer. Plug in your phone, mouse, hard drive, and still charge everything at once. So yeah, you don't need to be rich to live the tech life. Which of these gadgets would you grab first? Drop it in the comments, and follow for more cheap but elite tech finds.